Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ring app error, try again later. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So if you are getting a message like this while you are transferring your money from your bank account from your ring app to your bank, and then you should not be worried because this isn't a serious problem. This is just a problem of the server, or if your app isn't up to date. So what you need to do is just simply wait it out a couple of minutes, and after some time you'll be able to the servers will be able to run properly, and then you'll be able to transfer your amount to your bank. And then the next thing that you can do also is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in app or your ring pay app. And once you do that and find the ring app, all you gotta do is check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.